5 o'clock on Monday. Didn't film at all yesterday. Just now finally picking up the camera for the day. Zero motivation, but we got a couple of things dropped off that I'm pretty excited about. Not only do I have a set of wheels here that I'm really excited to show you guys, not only are we finishing our second any level lift ever at the shop within the next 2 weeks, but the third one just got dropped off. So this is the third any level lift that we're going to be building at the shop, and I love the way that they package this. That's why the one, it's so expensive, but two, the packaging's like $600 or $700 because they very nicely pack it all up. If you guys want to check out the first one that I did a full detailed video on, I'll have it linked below. I did a full video on the first one that we did, and if you guys want to check out that video, I will have it linked below so you guys can check it out. But Ashley Watson, if you're watching this, I have something I want to show you. I've been waiting for this set of wheels for months, probably like 6 months, 8 months maybe. And you would think that these wheels would like solve world hunger or something, taking that long, but you never know. They might. But it's exciting because Ashley Watson is such a loyal follower of the channel, such a very valued Bread Gang member, always has such a great energy to him, and I love people like that. And he also brings us a lot of snacks and stuff because he actually drives a bread truck for a living. And that's just one of the coolest, most ironic things in the world to me. And he's got this beautiful set of 24x12 KG1 Aristos, and I'm beyond excited to be able to show these to him, which is why I'm filming this and what gave me motivation to film today. So he's going from a 24x14 polished Aristo to a 24x12 black and milled Aristo, and we had ordered the metal caps because these are the plastic black caps, and he specifically wanted the metal ones to match. He's got metal polished ones now, and he wanted them to match, obviously. The ones that came in were polished, so we had to get those reordered. But Ashley, I wanted to let you know that your wheels are here, and I'm excited to see you. On a real note, if y'all haven't entered the giveaway, what the f are you doing? I've updated the prices for everything. The numbers are going crazy right now. Y'all are running up the tickets like crazy, and we appreciate you guys. Today's gonna be a short video because I didn't film much yesterday. I can't wait to see Ashley Watson in a couple of days, and I felt like I've been skimming over this truck, and I always like to show love to the guys at the shop because they do such an amazing job. I feel like I get way more credit up here for building all the trucks than what they do, and I really just sit at the counter and sell stuff, but they're actually the ones that build everything. So I wanted to show some love to a couple of the guys at the shop today and show off their trucks on the channel. Hey! He's like trying to fling his glove off. Mikey has gone through a couple different vehicles. You guys may remember Mikey's Yukon when he had it, but I wanted to show some love specifically to the Tahoe today. Jake's Tahoe is gone, so Mikey has taken the spot of the nice Tahoe at the shop currently, even though they're nice in their own respective reasons. I wouldn't say that Jake's is nicer or Mikey's is nicer. They're just different, right? So Mikey stayed late the other night when I came and dropped the truck off for the wrap. We were up here watching him actually work on this and put the lift kit on the truck. But Mikey just put a 9-inch lift on this Tahoe, one of the Mcgaughys kits. So some of you, some of my Tahoe fans, some of my squatted truck fans can see a Mcgaughys kit, a silver Mcgaughys kit, my favorite of the two, on one of these Tahoes. I believe that he's got torsion keys in the front, so it's really sitting at about 11 in the front. And then obviously it's only got like a 3 or 4. Mikey has done more than I could even begin to describe to this truck. Suspension work, it's got the 26x12, kind of like that platinum color fuel Triton with the Venoms. So he's got 26s and 37s. And then he's got that beautiful 9-inch Mcgaughys lift kit on the front. I guess it is sitting about, it's about 11 actually, I think. Because 9-inch Mcgaughys with the key, well, he's got 3-inch keys. Yeah, so it's probably about a little 11, 12, something like that. It's a big ass lift in the front is really what I'm saying, but I'll have to show a video of it from a couple of days ago at night so you can see all the lights on it. Look, I can't forget Mikey out here too. Mikey's got all kinds of, look, I've never seen this done before. Mikey did this the other day. Did he show you this? Look, yeah, he's got lights in the back panel back here in his. Oh yeah. That's freaking cool. That is cool. To match everything.
That's different.
I've never seen any of that before. I remember when I first started working here, I've always thought Jordan's truck was one of the coolest ones up here, and this is before I had 24x14s and 35s. He had the 2414 gear forged with the 375s, and from the moment I saw his truck, I knew that I had to have the 375. So love Jordan's trucks. 2414s. It's got a 6-inch lift in the front and stock in the back. Ram 2500. Absolute legend. I mean, to me it's an iconic truck at the shop, and most of you know this truck by now, but wanted to show some love to Jordan's truck on the channel. But obviously the squatted Tahoe is just the coolest thing. When you see it riding around, the squat, all the lights. He's got the lights in the back panel that I showed you guys in the video from when we were filming at night. It's just super cool to me, and I'm kind of jealous that I'm not able to work on my own stuff, because it would be really cool to be able to work on my own stuff and do my own lift kits. So shout out to Mikey for being able to do all of his own work. Jake's Tahoe is still getting a transmission put in it, so he's been driving the little single cab Ford for the last couple of days. My truck has got some things I'm gonna try and get done to it today that you guys will see tomorrow. Jonathan's truck is not here, and Meat's Jeep is still looking beautiful as always. I came back here to show you guys the paint that they had done on the hood, but I forgot that they had already repainted it. And I do get a lot of questions about this Jeep in the comments. It's got a 6.5-inch lift. For any of you guys that see this video, it has a 6.5-inch lift. I keep getting comments about that. I didn't find out what size lift it was until the other day. So now that I'm thinking about it, it's got a 6.5-inch lift on it. But like I said, today's gonna be a little bit of a shorter video. I'm just trying to get caught back up. I took Sunday off, and it really just kind of threw my schedule off for the week. But I've got a banger coming for you guys tomorrow. It's a shorter video today. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Hit the link in the description. Show some love to the merch. I love you guys. Let's get this bread.